Hello, this is Derek Burris with Green Scene Home Inspections. Doing a home inspection in East Dallas today. It is on a flipped home. I'm getting up on the roof, checking out the roof as it does have a new roof on it and just a couple of deficiencies that we're finding as we're walking along. So as we're coming over here to the valley right here, these shingles do not have a valley cut on them. They should be on the high side to make sure that the water is properly flowing down the valley side on this. As we're coming along over here to the ridge over here, we do have some penetrations right here that they have not caulked inside here, so this is going to be considered a water penetration, as well as the shingle right here with the downflow coming in right up underneath this shingle. Now as we're walking over here to the side over here, as you can see on this valley, is doing the same thing on here, as we don't have the cuts on the right side of the valley. And then as we come to their fireplace right here, or their chimney, as you can tell, it is decommissioned, but at the same point in time, this is an incorrect rain cap, and it is a water penetration on the chimney itself. As we're coming over to the side over here, we do have some more penetrations right here that are not sealed, and this is a new roof. And then as you can see, these chalk lines right here are the lines that they're putting down over here to make sure that they put their shingles up correctly. And as you can see, they're all sliding out just a little bit to the side. Same thing with this penetration as well. Right here with the water coming down on the slope of this, getting right up underneath this shingle right here, and then you have penetrations as well that are not sealed. A little bit better of a view right here of the chalk line right here, as you can see that the shingle is sliding out as well as on that side. And then as we're coming to these boots right here, as you can see, they don't have any UV coating on the PVC right here as well. And then this bottom side of the boot should be showing, as water will get up underneath this right here and then stick and getting underneath these other shingles over here. So you can see they've done it on several of these right over here at the very top of the house itself. Now as we're getting over here to the side, I don't know if you can see this very well, but as you can see, this is almost a perfect 4x8 sheet that is showing some dampness on top of the roof right here. So we don't know if they flipped the decking underneath that or not, but we'll be able to tell a little bit better once we get inside the attic. And this is Derek Burris with Green Scene Home Inspections. Thank you very much.